I'm Kayla Prince with Imperial Realty Agency by eXp Realty here in North Carolina. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you 7 key tips to help you navigate the exciting yet sometimes overwhelming process of buying your next home. So let's jump in. The first step number 1, is to set your goals. You need to start by getting clear on what you want. You need to think about your ideal move-in timeline as well as the areas that you'd like to live in. It's okay if these ideas shift as we go through the process, as they probably will. That is completely normal. But having a general plan and doing a little research can help give a solid foundation. Step number 2, you need to choose the right realtor. This is a crucial step. You need to have someone that you trust and someone that you feel confident working with, because buying a home is a big deal. It is a big deal. You need to make sure you have someone that you're comfortable with. That's where I come in. As your realtor, my job is to look out for your best interests and guide you through every step of the process. We will start with an agency disclosure, which ensures that I can fully advocate for you, from negotiating offers to making sure that you're treated like royalty throughout the entire process. Step number 3 is getting your pre-approval. Before we start shopping for your dream home, it is very important to know your budget. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage gives you a clear idea of what you can afford, and it positions you as a serious buyer when it comes time to make an offer. If you have a lender in mind, that's great. If you don't, I have a few that I can recommend to you. Don't hesitate to compare rates and fees from multiple lenders. It's a smart move that could save you a lot of money in the long run. That is one thing that some people don't want to do, is compare rates, but I promise you it can save you money in the end. Tip number 4, this is the fun part. It's time to go house hunting. We're gonna go out and find your dream home. By now, we will have narrowed down your price range and also pinpointed the areas that you are most excited about. If you're relocating or unfamiliar with the area, I'll help guide you to neighborhoods that fit your lifestyle and your preferences. When we start touring homes, we'll focus on properties that truly match your needs and wants. This way, we can maximize your time and energy. Tip here. You want to take a little extra time to explore the community. Check out the local parks, check out the shops, check out the attractions. Remember, you're not just buying a house, you're choosing where your next chapter begins. So we need to choose wisely. Tip number 5, you found the perfect home. Now it's time to make an offer. This is where my expertise comes in. I will help you to negotiate the best price and terms, whether it's the timeline, contingencies, or any other details. You will always have the final say. I will be there to make sure we're putting together an offer that will get noticed. Once your offer is accepted, you'll put down an earnest money deposit. Basically, that's a sign to the seller that you're serious. This money goes towards your closing costs, so it's all part of the process. You do not lose that money. Tip number 6, navigating contingencies. Once your offer is accepted, it is now time to handle some important next steps. First, we have your home inspection. This helps to uncover any potential issues that may exist with the property. Next, we'll have your appraisal ordered. This is done by your lender to ensure that the home's value aligns with the agreed price. Again, don't worry, I will make sure I stay on top of all of the timelines and the details to make sure everything runs smoothly. My goal is to make sure this stage is stress-free so you can focus on getting closer to owning your new home. Tip number 7, it's time to prepare for closing. We're almost there, almost at the end of the journey. As we are approaching closing day, there's one crucial tip. Avoid making any major financial changes. Don't open new credit cards. Don't finance furniture or appliances. Don't move large sums of money in or out of your accounts. Even if that refrigerator looks like it is a must-have right now, you need to wait until after you have signed those closing papers. Trust me, I have seen deals fall through because the buyers made a last-minute financial move that threw everything off. So let's avoid that at all costs. Once everything is finalized, you'll sign the documents, grab your keys, and you now officially own your new home. Every home buying journey is different and unique, but having the right realtor on your team makes a world of difference. At Imperial Realty Agency, we're all about providing imperial service and making your goals our priority. If you have any questions or just want to chat about your home buying plans, leave a comment or reach out. I'd love to help. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and let's make your home buying journey one to remember.